or not, the capital A hasn't always looked the way it does now. Ancient Egyptians wrote the letter upside down, creating a symbol that resembled a steer with horns. Grab paper and pen and start writing down every number as a word. Do you notice one missing letter? If you kept going, you wouldn't use a single letter B until you reached 1 billion. Benjamin Franklin reportedly wanted to banish C from the alphabet along with J, Q, W, and X, and replace them with 6 letters he invented himself. Contrary to popular belief, the letter D in D-Day does not stand for doom or disaster, it simply stands for day. Myth of the English alphabet, E is used more often than any other letter. It appears in 11% of all words. According to an analysis of more than 240,000 entries in the concise Oxford English Dictionary, anyone educated in today's school system knows that the lowest grade you can get is an F. According to Slate, F more obviously stands for failure or failed. Both G and C were originally represented by the Phoenician symbol for Gimel, which meant camel. Most hated letter in Britain, according to Michael Rosen, for almost 2000 years. Brits have pronounced H two ways, H and H. Funny enough, the dot over the letters I and J actually has a name. It is called a title. This is one of the 2 letters that do not appear on the periodic table. Q is the other. With the possible exception of L, K is the most notorious letter in sports. It's how baseball fans record a strikeout. NFL has traditionally used Roman numerals to denote the number of the big game. But for the 5th Super Bowl, they decided to go with just the number 50. You cannot say the letter M without your lips touching. Go ahead and try it. The Phoenician word for N was Nun, which later became the Aramaic word for fish. Only 4 letters A, E, O, L are doubled at the beginning of a word: Earthwork, Ale, Oz, Llama, etc. The most versatile letter in English, it's the only consonant that needs no help in forming a word sandwich with any vowel: pap, pep, peep. Out of every 510 letters in English words is AQ, making it the least common letter in English, sometimes referred to as the littera canina or canina letter. In Latin, the way speakers trilled the R sound like a growling dog. The English alphabet briefly included a typographical letter called a long S. Used from the late Renaissance to the early 1800s, it resembled the letter F but was pronounced simply as S. Shirt got its name for the T shape of the body and sleeves. It is relatively new word too. Before the 1500s, U and V were used interchangeably as a vowel or a consonant. V is the only letter in the English language that is never silent, according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary. Ever wondered why we call it a W instead of double V? You are not alone. The double U symbol eventually meshed together to form the letter W. From cross marks the spot to solve for X, this is the go-to letter to represent something unknown. The switch hitter in the alphabet Y functions as both a vowel and a consonant. The Oxford English Dictionary actually calls it a semi-vowel because while the letter stops your breath in words. Believe it or not, the letter Z has not always been the last letter of the alphabet. In the Greek alphabet, it had a respectable place at number 7.